who's working in you. Philippians 2:13 says, "For it is God who works in you to will and to act in order to fulfill His good purpose." Paul reminds believers that their desire and ability to live for God come from His Spirit, not their own strength. You're not alone in your faith journey. God is the divine spark behind your will and actions. In Philippians 2:12 says, "Fear and trembling." It isn't about striving alone or solo, but trusting God's power to shape you for His purpose. Your efforts align with His plan when you lean on His strength. God's power works in you. Pray for guidance, act boldly, seek His will, stay connected. Oscar Wilde says, "Every saint has a past, and every sinner has a future."